What is the LiDAR of iPhone used for? iPhone has a measure app. If the LiDAR damaged, it cannot open. Let us use a measure app to measure the length of a T-table. Select one end of the T-table, click the 加 to lock it. Then move your phone to the other end of the T-table, click the 加 to lock it, and the length of the T-table will be obtained. R. iPhone 3D Scanner app function. Download the 3D Scanner app, open it, shoot a VCR video of the product first. Click Scan to start scanning the item with structured light. Press End after scanning. Waiting for the file to be generated and then view the 3D modeling structure. These are the LiDAR functions. 3. How to repair the damaged iPhone LiDAR. Connect the LiDar Repair flex cable assembly to the 13:14 rear camera repair board of the iOS programmer. Connect the phone to computer for phone flash and unbind. After finish, click Unbind Details to view the unbind status. Click iOS and then click Connect to enter the LiDAR repair page. Click on Cloud Burn. After burning is complete, install the flex cable into the phone for test.